Nothing has officially revealed the design of the Phone 4a ahead of schedule, and this early move says as much about strategy as it does about hardware. In an industry built on secrecy and tightly controlled launch events, nothing is once again choosing transparency, both in design and in marketing. Visually, the Phone 4a refines the company's signature transparent aesthetic. The rear panel appears cleaner and more structured, with internal elements arranged in a way that feels less experimental and more engineered. For everyday users, that means a device that stands out instantly in a market full of identical glass slabs. For experienced tech observers, it suggests improved internal component stacking, potentially better thermal management, and more efficient use of space for battery and board layout. The camera system appears to feature a redesigned dual-lens configuration. In the mid-range category, real performance depends less on megapixels and more on sensor quality, image processing, and software optimization. If nothing pairs solid hardware with a refined computational photography pipeline, the Phone 4a could compete well above its price tier. Then there's the Glyph interface. Rather than removing its most distinctive feature, nothing appears to be evolving it. The lighting zones look more deliberate, which could indicate deeper software integration and expanded functionality beyond simple notifications. If opened further to developers, this system could become a more meaningful interaction layer instead of just a visual signature. Strategically, revealing the Phone 4a early shifts the hype cycle. It generates media momentum while positioning nothing as confident and design-driven. In a saturated mid-range market, differentiation is everything. The Phone 4a isn't just another budget device. It's a statement that design identity, controlled narrative, and engineering refinement can still matter, even outside the flagship tier.